Hello friends, welcome back to my channel for another Sadie Stickers mystery kit reveal. We are looking at some Christmas today. I'm so excited. If you can't tell by like the red and green that's on here, we have a really gorgeous Christmas kit hiding under here and I'm so excited to share it with you guys. But first, let me say hello in case this happens to be your first video that you're watching of mine. Hi, I'm Cassie and I'm a little obsessed with stickers, unashamedly. So I like to come on here and share them all with you guys, including these gorgeous mysteries that I get from a few different shops. This one is Sadie Stickers. I do get the weekly and the decorative, which is why I have these beautiful vellums hanging out here. I am on her PR team, so I usually say this at the end, but I guess I'm saying it in the beginning, but I am on her PR team. So you can use my code, not on the subscription, but you can use my code Cassie20 for anything else in the shop. When her new releases come out, you can stack it. It's really great. So you can use my code Cassie20 or, and put my name in the notes to seller for my freebie. So, all right, if you are not new and you have been coming back, I'm sorry that I have the same kind of spiel in the beginning every time, but I just never know when it's going to be somebody's first time clicking. So I try to introduce myself. Maybe at some point I won't, but for now we are. So anyway, all right, enough rambling. I am just getting back into things after being gone for a while. So forgive me for my rambliness and sometimes just being a little out of order. We're going to get it back together. Okay. Thanks for hanging with me. Okay. Here are our vellums. That sounds really weird when I say that out loud. Here are our vellums. This month we have two different ones, which is fun. Sometimes it's like the same split in two, but these ones are a little different. So this is kind of like a plaid gingham. I don't really know what to call this pattern. It's kind of like a mix of the two, but it's super pretty and fun. And we're going to see it played out in this collection. And then we've got kind of like a candy cane stripe with like a reddish pink thing going on here. So super pretty. And then you guys, do you see this? Look how fun this is. It's like pink and red and green. And it's just like a total perfect planner girl Christmas. That's what this is giving me right now. Okay, so this is the October mystery, like I said. And we have, look at this. It is like plaid. Look at that. Oh, so good. We've got some red and pink and just very dainty, feminine Christmas. Like look at the bows on the staircase and the pink runner and the pink wallpaper. Little typewriter. It says season's greetings to you. And then you have like this girl with her gifts stacked. You see that? It's kind of like a little gingerbread village. It's a gingerbread village. Shut the front door. Like, look at these. How cute. And little candy canes. Like, is there anywhere like that in real life? Because I want to go visit something like that. It just looks so magical. And then I love the like candy cane stripe with this bow that has the stripes. I think I still have some foil bows from years ago that have this stripe in them. Ooh, and I think I have some like corner, like box corner things. We're going to make this look really cute. Okay, getting ideas already. This looks like a little like candy store. And she's made it so festive with all the little confetti and everything. Look how cute that is. And then we've got more of that over here. Just so celebratory. Little pink heels. Love so much. So that's our full boxes. And then our functional boxes. We've got a lot of these fun colors in the kit. The pink, green, red, and like a light beigey color. All of the functional boxes. This is foiled in light gold. Is this light gold? Yeah, it's like light gold, champagne gold. So there's a little bit of splattering of foil on here. And then page 3 is our layering page. So we've got a lot of like functional layering. So watercolor boxes and grid boxes, some deco, some little swatches, torn papers, so many good things. And these are cut out in the middle, so you can make your own thing in there, or you could leave the box in there and then write on it or whatever. How fun is this? Look at, you've got the little bow and dot pattern for your thin washi. And then you've got these beautiful flowers. I love that pink, like splattered background. It's just so pretty. And then you've got your lace washi strips, your lace dividers, and then a couple other sets of headers with the little bows. This reminds me of like when I got into the planning community, these kind of little bows. Back in the end of 2018, I think it was, when I got in the planning community. It's been a long time, guys. I've been around for a little bit. Let me know in the comments, how long have you been in the planner community? I know some of you have been around longer than I have. But let me know when you joined the planner community and how did you find it? I would love to hear that from you guys. So drop me a comment, hang out with me. Okay, deco page. So these are all the add-ons that you get in the weekly kit if you are subscribed to this one. So we've got our deco where we have a few larger floral bouquets. And then we have some like bigger deco, I feel like, on this page. You have some smaller stuff in the kit, but this page has a lot bigger deco. So pretty, lots of Christmassy things, gifts and trees. And there's little snowflakes. Look at how fun are those? I didn't notice those at first. Okay, this is our floral deco. So we've got all of the bouquets and the floral washi strips. Really pretty with like the bright pop of red mixed with the light pink. So pretty. And then page 6 is our journal page. See, they're always out of order. This has happened like the last couple mysteries. Maybe I should put them in order. I don't know if I took them out and looked at them and put them in the wrong order or if they're just coming in that order. I don't know. Either way, I guess it doesn't matter. We're looking at all the goods. Okay, journaling page. We got days of the week. We've got a lot of functional journaling like boxes, stamps and frames and swatches, some smaller bouquets on here and some torn edges, both like the little square ones and the long rectangular ones. And then let me flip this guy over. We have alcohol ink, and you guys, look at this one. It's a sweater pattern with snowflakes. Alicia, I need more of these. You gave me one and it's so good. Look at, and this one too, and this one. I'm gonna need more of this page. I'm gonna have to message Alicia and ask if I can, if there's extras, can I buy more of this? Because that's so good. And I wanna mix these in like other spreads too. Okay, I'm obsessed. Love that so much. Okay, so that's, oh wait, hang on. There's foiled add-on. This is cool. So she did like long strips on here and kind of edged it all in. I'm a fan. And then look at, we've got some of those little plaid things here. Little like sparkle foil, the little bows. Oh my gosh, there's so much good deco on this. This might be like my favorite foiled deco add-on that she's ever done. I really love all the stuff on here. You got the girl with the tree, and then you got the girl with the gifts. You've got a million bows here for that, some ornaments, some gifts, some blowing snow, some ribbons. Like, how pretty is that? I'm obsessed. And the good thing is we got another one here. So you always get it in the decorative kit too if you get both of these, you guys. So double up and get both subscriptions. That's all. Okay, let's look at the decorative so you can see why I'm saying, yes, you should get both. Let's get this out of here. Let's get it out of here. Okay, so, oh, I'm gonna need this to show you. Well, let's pull this out. These are, one page at a time, one page at a time. Okay, our flowers. So we've got the different shades of pink and red, bigger PC florals, so not bouquets, but just flowers. And then the second page is, oops, goodness gracious, this is the bouquets. So you've got like the gold splatter foil, just dainty and pretty on there. Got 6 bouquets. And then we have our elements. So we've got a bunch of little deco elements here. All kinds of Christmassy stuff. I think this is the opposite direction that it was in the weekly kit, so that's fun. So cute. These are our edges. You've got 1, 2, 3 like flat edges, and then you've got a couple little corners that are nice and dainty and tiny, and then some PC florals in the middle. And then we have our layered elements here. Oh my gosh, how fun is this? It's like that little store again. This is so cute. It's like alcohol ink with a bow over it. Stop it. Love that. Oh my gosh, and look at this one. It's like an alcohol ink with the foil over it. I love that so much. And the bows on the staircase. You guys, this is so, so pretty. It's just such a feminine Christmas kit. I am so here for this. It's girly Christmas. Let's do it. Okay, we've got the plaid, we've got the stripes, we got the florals, some plain with like watercolor, all of our torn strips. And then we have days and dates. We got days of the week, and we have dates. I am going to probably request in every video that we get these foiled because I would love some foil on these. But in the meantime, I will put foil on them myself because I like to have that little pop of foil. This is our borders. We have 2 of the longer ones with the foil and then 3 smaller like edges. And then we have large scenes. Look at the gingerbread village. You guys, I'm so glad she did this in a large scene so we can see the detail on that because it is so good. And this little pink house, like stop. It's so pretty. And all the snow. I kind of miss snow sometimes. I don't miss living in it, but I would like to visit some. And then we have this little candy shop with like a bunch of gingerbread and candy cane type of stuff. So gorgeous. Maybe that's like inside this little thing, you know? Maybe. Making up stories about the village. Okay, box swatches. So these are similar to the kit. Sometimes they're like exactly the same, but we've got 4 like scene boxes. These ones are more like patterns this time, not as much scenes. And then 2 of the larger floral. And I like to rip these into smaller ones if like that's too big for what I'm doing in my spread. And then these are our swatches. I don't know why I'm wiggling them. There's no foil in there, but these are our swatches with that pattern, the fall pattern. And then this is that gorgeous foiled add-on again, same add-on. Not mad at all about getting 2 of the same. I would take like 5 of these. I think they should go in every Christmas kit because they're beautiful. Okay, so that's everything for our decorative and obviously for our weekly that we went through. Let me just show you these boxes one more time because you guys, it's just so stunning. I'm sorry if you missed out. Sometimes Leisha has extras. You could always message her and ask if you're like, oh my gosh, I need that in my life. Otherwise, you probably need to find somebody who's destashing. Good luck with that because this is gorgeous. And I don't know who would be getting rid of this because it's just so stunning. Okay, that's everything for October. Like I mentioned before, I am on Sadie Stickers PR team, so you can use my code Cassie20 to save 20% on anything in the shop. And you can stack it with her new releases every week, which is amazing. But that's going to be everything, you guys. And this means I'm caught up on my Sadie Stickers mysteries because I don't have November yet, so that's super exciting. So thank you guys for hanging out with me, and I will see you all in the next video. Thanks so much. Bye.